future is listening. From the shores where the old ships came, carrying stories wrapped in pain, the land still feels the weight of gold and promises that were never told. Contracts signed in distant rooms, while villages inherit the wounds. The past is written in every stone, but the people are not alone. We are the chain breaker continent, standing tall with firm intent. No shadow can rule forevermore. Truth is knocking at the door. We are the chain breaker continent, rising up with one consent. From every heart, from every hand, freedom echoes across the land. Yeah. They drew the borders, they named the rules, but forgot the wisdom of ancient schools. The drum still speaks in the night wind's call, reminding us we cannot fall. The market cries, the city sings, the hope of change in everything. A generation learning to see the strength of unity. We are the chain breaker continent, standing tall with firm intent. No shadow can rule forevermore. Truth is knocking at the door. Travel with pride, Nyabinghi fire in every chest, demanding justice, nothing less. The tape echo carries the sound of truth rising from the ground. No silence can bury the flame when dignity calls our name. From classroom walls to factory gates, the future refuses to wait. Every child deserves the light. Every wrong must turn to right. No empire lasts beyond its time. No injustice can stay in line. The roots of freedom run too deep for the powerful to keep. We are the chain breaker continent, standing tall with firm intent. No shadow can rule forevermore. Truth is knocking at the door. We are the chain breaker continent, rising up with one consent. With courage, wisdom, and the plan, we take back what belongs to man. Chain breaker. Chain breaker. Africa rising. calling across the land. Ancient rhythms carried by the wind. The stories of the elders still remain, flowing through our blood like rain. Oh, oh. The sun rises over the red earth plain, bringing strength again and again. Every heartbeat moves with the sound of a people standing their ground. African roots, fire, burning bright tonight, shining through the darkness with a guiding light. Lift your voice higher, let the message fly. From the earth below to the open sky. African roots, fire, feel the spirit move. Every generation keeping the groove. With love and courage we carry on, marching toward the dawn. The marketplace echoes with laughter and song. The people keep moving strong. Different cultures, many traditions, one heartbeat, one vision. The river flows and the baobab stands, witness to the dreams of the land. The future grows from the seeds we sow, in the wisdom we choose to know. African roots, fire, burning bright tonight, shining through the darkness with a guiding light. Lift your voice higher, let the message fly. From the earth below to the open sky. Oh, blow the horns from the mountainside, let the sound roll far and wide. The drums keep speaking through the night, calling every soul to the light. No fear in the movement, no hate in the song, only determination to carry on. With unity as our foundation stone, we'll build a future of our own. The youth are dreaming with open eyes. The elders share truths that never die. Every step forward, every helping hand strengthens the roots of the land. The stars above remind us all, together we rise, divided we fall. The spirit of the people cannot be denied, like the ocean's endless tide. Oh, African roots, fire, burning bright tonight, shining through the darkness with a guiding light. Lift your voice higher, let the message fly. From the earth below to the open sky. Oh, oh. African roots, fire, hear the drums proclaim. Unity and dignity in every name. Oh, with faith in our hearts and hope as our guide, we'll keep the fire alive. Keep the fire alive. truly know. The people are rising from silence and dust, learning again how to trust. Every street corner carries a song of those who have suffered too long. But inside the struggle, the fire remains, burning through losses and pain. Spirit of the flame never dies, rising up through troubled skies. No more fear, no more shame. We call out freedom's name. Spirit of the flame burning bright, guiding us through the night. When the people stand as one, the victory is already won. The towers of power may shake and fall, but the voice of the people outlasts them all. Every broken promise, every stolen day will not simply fade away. The youth are marching with steady feet to the rhythm of justice in every street. The elders whisper, hold the line, the future will realign. Spirit of the flame never dies, rising up through troubled skies. No more fear, no more shame. We call out freedom's name. Blow the horns across the valley wide, let the message cannot hide. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the ground, make the sacred sound. Tape echo rolling through the night, turning darkness into light. Every struggle has its place in the march of human grace. We walk through fire, we face the storm, still we rise, still reborn. No chains can hold what the soul believes, no lie can deceive. From the ashes comes a stronger will, a truth no power can kill. The fire is not just rage or pain, it is life again. Spirit of the flame, rise once more, break the walls, open the door. Let the people sing as one until the new dawn comes. Spirit of the flame, burning true. Everything we've been through has made us strong enough to stand and reclaim this land. Spirit of the flame. Spirit of the flame. Still we rise. Hear the voice of the people rising from the streets, rising from the villages, rising from the heartbeat of the nation. Oh yeah, Lennon. The market woman wakes before the dawn, working hard long after the night is gone. The farmer watches over fields of grain, praying for sunshine after the rain. The youth are searching for a brighter way, looking for opportunity every day. The elders speak with wisdom from the years, teaching courage in the face of fear. Hear the voice of the people calling, hear the voice of the people strong. Truth and justice keep on rising like a river moving on. Hear the voice of the people singing, hope is growing every day. When we stand but every promise must be backed by right. Leadership is service, not a golden throne. A nation grows when all can grow. Every child deserves a chance to dream. Every worker deserves self-esteem. The strength of a country is measured by care for the people living there. Hear the voice of the people calling. Hear the voice of the people strong. Truth and justice keep on rising like a river moving on. Blow the horns across the valleys. Let the message travel far. The future belongs to everyone. Under the same stars, the drums keep rolling through the night. The tape echo carries the sound. A new generation is rising up, standing on higher ground. No hatred in the movement, no bitterness inside, only determination and a righteous stride. The road is long, but the vision is clear. A better tomorrow is drawing near. When honesty and wisdom lead the way, the people find reason to celebrate. Together we'll build with heart and hand a stronger and fairer land. Hear the voice of the people calling. Hear the voice of the people strong. Truth and justice keep on rising like a river moving on. Hear the voice of the people singing. Hope is growing every day. With unity, courage and compassion, we'll find a better way. Voice of the people. Voice of the people. Voice of the people. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Fire is not destruction. Sometimes fire is true. I see the smoke rising over the town, where promises crumble and fall to the ground. The people are hungry for something real, something no power can steal. The streets are talking in cold pain, calling for freedom again and again. But deep in the struggle, a light survives, keeping the spirit alive. Burning justice, rising flame, calling out every false name. No more silence, no more shame, only truth remains. Burning justice, hear the sound from the sky down to the ground. When the people stand as one, the battle has already begun. The ruler in the tower looks away, but the voice of the people will not stay quiet today. Every broken system built on lies will fall when the truth arrives. The worker sings through sweat and dust, still believing in justice and trust. The youth are rising with fire in their eyes. No more compromise. Burning justice, rising flame, calling out every false name. No more silence, no more shame, only truth remains. Oh yeah. a sign that truth will realign. No empire lasts beyond its time. No injustice stays in line. The people hold the final say, and they are rising today. Burning justice, rising flame. No more fear, no more shame. From the ashes we reclaim freedom's name. Burning justice, hear the call. One love, rising over all. When the people stand as one, the new dawn has begun. Burning justice, burning justice. Let it rise. Hey, this is not silence. This is movement. Africa in motion. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, 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 ay. From the street corners to the city lights, young hearts burning with future sight. No more waiting for permission to rise. The truth is written in our eyes. The elders speak of a better day, when dignity leads the way. Every voice must be heard and known. Every seed must be sown. Africa in motion, rise up strong. We've been silent for far too long, and now the rhythm is breaking chains, healing wounds and clearing pains. Africa in motion, hear the sound from the sky down to the ground. Unity is the revolution. Love is the only solution. They build their systems on division lines, but forgot the power of African minds. Every child with a dream inside carries a fire they cannot hide. The drums of Nyabinghi call the truth from the wisdom of the roots. No fear can stop what is rising now. The continent knows how. Africa in motion, rise up strong. We've been silent for far too long. Now the rhythm is breaking chains, healing wounds and clearing pains. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Blow the horns across the nation. Let the message travel wide. Tape echo voices in the darkness, but the light will not hide. Stand together, hearts on fire, higher and higher and higher. No oppression can remain when truth removes the chain. From the farmer to the marketplace, every soul has a rightful place. We are builders of a brand new dawn. Even when the night feels long, no borders can one heartbeat, one destiny. Under the same sky, beneath the same sun, many different journeys, but we're moving as one. Different languages spoken in the marketplace, yet the same dreams are shining on every face. The river doesn't question where the water begins. The wind doesn't choose between strangers and friends. Nature reminds us every day we belong to one great family, singing one song. Many shades, one spirit, one humanity, bound together through our diversity. Hand in hand, let the whole world see. Unity is our greatest strength to be. Many shades, one spirit, one light, standing together through the darkest night. With love and respect we can find a way toward a brighter day. The farmer in the village, the worker in town, both know what it's like when the rain comes down. The child with a dream and the elder with wisdom share the same hope for the generations. No wall is stronger than a united heart. No distance too great when compassion starts. The seeds of peace grow wherever they're sown, turning strangers into our own. Many shades, one spirit, one humanity, bound together through our diversity. Hand in hand, let the whole world see. Unity is our greatest strength to be. Blow the horns from the mountainside, let the message ride the breeze. Every culture, every nation, standing tall in dignity. The drums keep rolling through the valleys, the echo stretches to the night. A million voices are moving forward, guided by a common light. The stars above shine on everyone the same. They don't divide us by language or name. The future belongs to those who understand that peace is built hand in hand. When we listen more and fear a little less, we discover common ground and happiness. The journey is long, but the vision is clear. A world where every voice can be heard. Many shades, one spirit, one humanity, bound together through our diversity. Hand in hand, let the whole world see. Unity is our greatest strength to be. Many shades, one spirit, one light, standing together through the darkest night. With hope in our hearts and truth in our song, we'll keep moving on. One spirit, one humanity. One spirit, one humanity. Yeah. Rise together, rise together. No surprise in a world like this, only truth remains. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I've seen the powerful change their words like the wind, smile in the daylight and betray you again. Promises written on the walls of the state broken gate. The streets are speaking louder than before. Every silence opens another wound and more. History repeats like a drum in the night, but the spirit of the people still refuses to die. Nothing surprises me anymore. I've seen the hunger, I've seen the war, but still we rise from the dust and pain like rivers returning after rain. Nothing surprises me anymore, but I still believe in something more. Truth is rising, slow but sure, no lie can last forever pure. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I've seen leaders build their castles high, while children below wonder why they cry. The wealth of a nation locked behind doors, while the streets keep asking for more and more. But the roots go deeper than corruptions, and there's a fire alive in the heart of the land. From the village drum to the city lights, we still search for what is right. Nothing surprises me anymore. I've seen the hunger, I've seen the war, but still we rise from the dust and pain like rivers returning after rain. Blow the horns across the suffering, let the truth break every chain. Nyabinghi fire in the heartbeat, calling justice once again. The tape echo whispers through the dark. Every struggle leaves its mark, but the spirit cannot be controlled. It burns inside the human soul. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, I have walked through shadows of broken trust, seen empires turn back into dust, but every ending brings a start when the people hold a stronger heart. No fear can silence what is real, no system can crush how we feel. The voice of truth is slow but clear, and it grows stronger year by year. Nothing surprises me anymore, but I still believe in something more. From ashes rise the seeds we sow, and only truth will grow. Nothing surprises me anymore, but I still fight for what's worth more. With hope in rhythm we endure until the future becomes pure. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Nothing surprises me, but still we rise, still we rise. Oh. From the north to the south, from the east to the west, hear the call of unity. Many rivers flow into the sea, many voices sing one melody. Different stories, different names, yet beneath the sun we're all the same. The mountains stand, the seasons change, but the human spirit remains the same. When we lift each other through the rain, we find strength beyond the pain. One people, one heart, one destiny, standing together in harmony, hand in hand, side by side. The worker rises before the dawn, keeping hope alive and carrying on. No one is stronger than unity. No chain can bind the people who are free. The dream of justice lives inside, like a fire that cannot be denied. One people, one heart, one destiny, standing together in harmony, hand in hand, side by side, with truth and love as our guide. Let courage be the path we tread. The road is long, but we won't turn away. We'll build a better day. The future belongs to those who believe in the power of love and the strength to achieve. With open hearts and steady hands, we raise up stronger lands. One people, one heart, one destiny, standing together in harmony, hand in hand, side by side, with truth and love as our guide. One people, one heart, hear the sound of unity rising from the ground. With faith and hope we carry on until a brighter dawn. One people, one heart. One people, one heart. Together we rise. Together we rise. Every step is a lesson. Every breath is a journey. I wake up under the rising sun. Another chapter has begun. The road is long, but I must go where the winds of destiny flow. I've seen valleys of sorrow and pain, walk through fire and heavy rain, but the spirit deep inside my chest keeps pushing me toward the best. It's the road of the soul, the road of life, full of struggle, full of light. Every step is a lesson learned. Every bridge that we cross must burn. It's the road of the soul, don't lose your way. Even night will turn to day. Keep your faith and carry on until the journey is done. I've met strangers who became my guide. I've seen truth in the darkest tide. Every heart carries its own song, right where we all belong. The mountains speak in silent tones, reminding me I'm not alone. Even when the road feels steep, the promise is mine to keep. while the powerful kept singing their own song. Promises floating in the air like dust, but the people learn to trust, only trust. The streets remember every broken word, every truth that was never heard. But deep inside the fire still grows, where only the spirit knows. Too many years of silence, too many nights alone, too many seeds left ungrown. But we rise from the pain we've known and claim the world as our own. Too many years of silence, now the sound is near, breaking through the wall of fear. No more waiting for the dawn, the voice of the people is strong. They build their towers on shifting sand, while forgetting the roots of the land. But the earth remembers every step, every promise they never kept. The worker, the farmer, the child in the street carry the rhythm of justice beneath their feet. Even when the system tries to divide, truth will not be denied. Oh, too many years of silence, too many nights alone, too many seeds left ungrown. But we rise from the pain we've known and claim the world as our own. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, aye. Oh, blow the horns across the borders, let the message ride the wind. Nyabinghi fire in the heartbeat, where change begins. Tape echo whispers through the darkness, but the light is breaking through. Every generation rising to rebuild what is true. No more bending to the weight of lies, no more closing weary eyes. The future calls in a steady tone, saying we are not alone. From the ashes comes the flame, and nothing stays the same. Every soul begins to see the power of unity. Oh, too many years of silence, now we break the chain, turning sorrow into gain. Every voice will rise again, like cleansing African rain. Too many years of silence, hear the sound of change. Rewriting history's page with courage in our hearts so strong. We move forward all along. Too many years, but not anymore, not anymore. Hear the voices of the ancestors, carried by the wind across the plains. The spirit lives on. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. From the desert sands to the river's bend, the story continues, it never ends. The footprints of the elders mark the way, guiding the children of today. The baobab tree stands tall and strong, witness to the years that have come and gone. Its roots run deep beneath the ground, where wisdom and courage are found. future is mine. Hold on to the vision, hold on to the dream. Nothing is ever quite as impossible as it seems. Land of the ancestors, stand up tall. The strength of the people belongs to all. With unity, justice and dignity, we'll walk into tomorrow free. The farmer plants seeds in the morning sun, knowing every harvest begins with one. The teacher shares knowledge, the youth prepare, building a future with wisdom and care. The river keeps flowing through joy and pain, through seasons of drought and seasons of rain. The spirit of the people cannot be denied, like the ocean's endless tide. Land of the ancestors, rise and shine. Your future is yours, your future is mine. Hold on to the vision, hold on to the dream. Nothing is ever quite as impossible as it seems. Blow the horns from the mountainside, let the message travel far and wide. Every village, every town, lift your voices, let the truth resound. The drums keep beating through the night, the echo carries the guiding light. Generation after generation, building a stronger foundation. No fear in the movement, no hatred in the song, only determination to carry on. The road may be long, but the dawn will come for every daughter and every son. The stars above remind us all, together we rise, divided we fall. The future grows from the seeds we sow and the love we choose to show. Land of the ancestors, rise and shine. Your future is yours, your future is mine. With faith in our hearts and hope in our hands, we'll build stronger communities and lands. Land of the ancestors, hear the call. The strength of the people belongs to all. With unity, justice and dignity, we'll walk into tomorrow free. Rise and shine, rise and shine. Land of the ancestors, the spirit lives on. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Oh. From the hills to the shoreline, hear the drums call. Ancient voices rising, breaking every wall. Children of the continent standing hand in hand, carrying the wisdom of a mighty land. The fire of the elders still burns tonight, guiding every traveler toward the righteous light. No chains can bind a people who remember who they are. Their spirit shines brighter than the evening star. Africa, rise, let your light shine bright, marching through the darkness toward the morning light. Hearts of the warriors, eyes upon the way. Justice and freedom shall come one day. Africa, rise, let the trumpet sound, lift every voice from the sacred ground. Hope in the valley, strength in the storm. A new generation is being born. unity in the fertile earth, building up tomorrow with a vision of rebirth. No fear in the struggle, no hate in the heart. Every little action is a brand new start. The roots grow deeper when the pressure comes around. Truth stands firm upon solid ground. Africa rise, let your light shine bright, marching through the darkness toward the morning light. Hearts of the warriors, eyes upon the way. Justice and freedom shall come one day.
For the dreamers holding on, lift up the light.
I see a mother run along dusty road, carrying tomorrow with a heavy load. The sun is setting but she keeps moving on, believing in a brighter dawn. I see a child with hope inside his eyes, looking beyond the clouds in the sky. Though the storms may gather all around, faith keeps his feet on solid ground. Lift up the light for the ones in need, plant a little hope like a precious seed. When the night grows dark and the road seems long, love will guide us on. Lift up the light, let compassion grow, like a river of mercy flowing slow. Together we'll rise, together we'll stand, building peace across the land. The worker in the city, the farmer in the field, know that patience is a powerful shield. Every act of kindness, every helping hand makes the world a better land. No mountain is too high to climb, no wound too deep to heal in time. The spirit of the people cannot be denied, like the ocean's endless tide. Lift up the light for the ones in need, plant a little hope like a precious seed. When the night grows dark and the road seems long, love will guide us on. Blow the horn across the valley, let the message travel wide. Let every heart remember there is strength when we're united. The drums keep beating softly, the echo fills the air. A million voices rising, sending hope everywhere. From every corner of the earth we come, different languages but beating as one. The dream of justice still remains alive. courage in our hearts and truth in our song. We will carry on. Lift up the light, let the whole world see the power of love and unity. Through every struggle, through every fight, we'll keep lifting up the light. Lift up the light. Lift up the light. For every soul. For every soul.
Oh, na, oh, na. Yeah. Aye, 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 aye. Hear the heartbeat of the nation. Hear the cry of the people. The truth cannot be silenced. Walking through the city streets, I hear the voices call. Mother seeking justice while the mighty stand tall. The workers in the marketplace, the farmers in the field, know that truth is stronger than any sword or shield. Promises are easy when election time is near, but the hungry need more than speeches in their ear. The youth are raising questions, demanding what is right, holding up a candle in the darkest part of night. No man above the people, no crown above the law. The strength of every nation is the justice that they saw. Stand firm, stand strong. Let the trumpet sound again. The power of the people shall forever remain. From the village crossroads to the capital gate, the future is determined by the choices that we make. A leader must remember who placed him on the throne. The road becomes much harder when pride stands alone. The river keeps on flowing, the mountain still stands high. The truth keeps on returning, no matter how they try. The voices of the righteous echo through the years, breaking down oppression, overcoming fears. No man above the people, no crown above the law. The strength of every nation is the justice that they saw. Stand firm, stand strong. Let the trumpet sound again. The power of the people shall forever remain. Let wisdom guide the ruler. Let mercy guide the strong. Let every child inherit a land where they belong. The drums of freedom calling, the horns begin to rise. A new dawn is approaching, visible in the skies. The elders share their knowledge, the youth prepare the way, building up tomorrow from the lessons of today. No hatred in the movement, no vengeance in the song, only determination to correct what has gone wrong. The spirit of the people is deeper than the sea. No prison for the conscience, no chains for liberty. Together we are stronger when united in the cause, standing for compassion and defending noble laws. No man above the people, no crown above the law. The strength of every nation is the justice but continues to grow. The voices of the elders carry through the years, teaching courage over fear. One human family beneath the sun, many journeys walking as one. Raise your voice, let freedom ring. Let every heart and conscience sing. One human family, hand in hand, building peace across the land. Truth and dignity shall remain, like flowers growing after rain. When power creates division and fear becomes the rule, the people must remember that love is stronger too. Not with hatred, not with rage, but wisdom written on every page. The worker and the farmer, the teacher and the child dream of a future where justice is reconciled. No throne stands forever, no empire can remain when people stand together for change. One human family beneath the sun, many journeys walking as one. Raise your voice, let freedom ring. Let every heart and conscience sing. Blow the horns across the valleys, let the message travel far. Every soul deserves respect, no matter who they are. The drums keep beating steady, the echo fills the night. Generation after generation, moving toward the light. The chains of yesterday are lessons for today, showing future generations a better way. The seed of compassion planted in the ground will grow wherever truth is found. The sunrise brings a promise, the evening brings reflection. The road to unity begins with mutual protection. Standing for each other when the storm clouds appear, building hope year after year. One human family beneath the sun, many journeys walking as one. Freedom, justice, peace and grace for every people, every place. One human family, strong and free, rooted in humanity. With faith, with hope, with dignity, we shape a brighter destiny. One family, one future.